In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default product in Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to control which variant appears first on your product page, so customers see the option you want them to choose by default. First, head to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin. You'll land on your dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This opens a list of everything you sell. Find and select the product you want to edit. This takes you to the product's details page, where you manage its title, description, images, pricing, and inventory. Scroll down until you see the variants section. Variants are the specific combinations of options for a product, like size and color. For example, blue/medium and blue/large are different variants of the same product. To set which variant shows first to customers, simply drag the variant you prefer to the top of the list. This is the key action. Shopify treats the first variant in this list as the default selection in most storefront themes and sales channels. You'll usually see a drag handle next to each variant. Click and hold it, move the variant to the top, and release. Before you finalize, think about stock and pricing. If you want a variant to be the default, it's best that it's in stock and has the pricing and images you want customers to see first. Some themes also skip out of stock variants automatically, so making sure your preferred option is available helps avoid surprises. Once your desired variant is at the top, click Save. You'll typically see a brief confirmation that your changes were saved. From this point on, Shopify uses your new order anywhere the product is displayed, making the top variant the one that's selected first on the product page. If you don't see a variant section at all, that simply means the product has only one version. In that case, there's nothing to reorder because there aren't multiple options. If you later add additional options, this variant section will appear and you can return to reorder them as needed. That's it. You've changed the default product selection by reordering the variants so your preferred option is shown first. This small tweak can improve conversions by guiding customers toward the variant you recommend, whether that's your bestseller, the most profitable option, or the one with the best availability. Thanks for watching. And if this helped, make sure to apply it to your top products for a more consistent shopping experience.